they come down in the summer when we get this extreme heat.
And we just had days and days of extreme heat. Joseph, first thing I asked you was like, are we going to extend that streak today? And you said no.
No, but it's still pretty warm out there, but nothing like what
yeah.
we just battled. I mean, it was really a tough stretch for us here in the Pacific Northwest and here in Portland. So here's some of the heat wave observations as we briefly discuss that, and then I'll get to your forecast as we plan what is going to be coming our direction. You know, this weekend we had temperatures in the triple digits and the upper 90s. Sunday 98, 102 on Saturday. We had 100 degrees on Friday. We had back-to-back days there where we had triple digits on Friday and Saturday. This is just a very long stretch of heat. We had 7 days where we hit at least 95 degrees or above, which was a new record for us. So this was a pretty intense heat wave. All right, so here's what we kind of wrapped up the month of July at. 73.7 degrees was our average mean temperature there. The average is 70. This ended up being number 4 on our list. Right now, temperatures at 88 degrees in Portland. It is cooler to the south. We've had a few showers around the areas of the Willamette Valley, through areas of the Willamette Valley. And so there's been some locations that have cooled down, maybe slightly due to some rain. 96 degrees out of the Dalles, still 95 for Pendleton, but that sure beats 110 degrees, 112 degrees, things that we did experience last week. And 60s there for the Oregon coast, 67 degrees for Astoria. I hope you're having a great day. Overall, it's about 10 degrees cooler at this time than we were sitting yesterday. So that just tells you there's a bit more of a chill in the air. Not much, about 14 degrees cooler there for Madras. And then notice some locations actually slightly warmer. That goes for some portions of the Oregon coast. All right, here's Vancouver and Illinois and the Dalles and Lincoln City. Notice kind of a haze in the sky and some cloud coverage passing on through. And we're going to keep that going as we go into today and likely for tomorrow as well, because of some wildfire smoke aloft that brings a bit of the haze. And we just have some moisture trying to seep on in. Showing you the satellite radar now, we have some showers and thunderstorm activity. You know, over the weekend, there was 1,000 lightning strikes between Saturday and Sunday night because of the thunderstorms. Notice that we are still very active here heading into the evening hours. We even have a couple cells there that have come over the coast range producing some rain showers. There's Bend, there's down to the south. Notice that we just kind of have these cells flaring on up. They're going to produce mostly wind and lightning, not a lot of rain associated with this. Notice we have also a couple cells over here in the Willamette Valley, one closer to about Wilsonville at this hour. Lightning potential is going to stay a little bit cranked. We'll call it active too as we go into our Tuesday. Majority of that's going to be to the south of us. There's still some dry thunderstorm risk and an elevated risk of fire weather there. Notice through that section of the lower Columbia Basin. Tonight, you're really going to notice things cool on down. That's where we'll really feel it. Temperatures down to about the lower 60s. We've had some very warm overnight temperatures. It will feel so good. That goes for areas up into areas of southwest Washington and then, of course, extending through the state. FUTURECAST showing those showers tomorrow down to the south. We're also concerned for a little bit of lightning potential, too. Not much up to the north, though. We got to go through the day tomorrow, slowly pushing all that moisture to the east. And then we bring some more back down to the south. So not a lot going to reach us, but we will watch for maybe some shower activity down to the south. Let me show you what's going on over the next couple of days, though. Still pretty warm before we finally get to this trough right here, which usually represents a little bit of cool air. And I'll show you that on the 7-day forecast. How cool we're going to get. Likely just the upper 70s to near 80 degrees, but that is something that will likely feel pretty good. Upper 80s there Tuesday and Wednesday, 85 degrees on Friday. And then it looks like we may be entering our third heat wave of the summer into the weekend. All right, we'll talk more about that coming up on the other side.